This is hands-on training that is provided to them in an applied way that leads directly to a high-paying job. We don't need the workers tomorrow, we need the workers today.
Our industrial facilities are in need of operators and of technicians.
We need this, and we need the local community to support our growth and our livelihoods as well.
There was lots of resources available for us to reference. Everyone has been super helpful, all the instructors and advisors and staff.
Even if you don't go down this route, you still learn how to work on your basic home and what it's doing with the electrical and mechanical side of things.
You're looking for somebody who's eager, who wants to learn, who wants to grow. If we can do those things, then the things that we have in those factories and those facilities can be taught.
More people are hands-on than anybody would like to admit.
So getting to touch everything, see what happens when you mess up, what it's doing, and troubleshooting it with the instructor is what helps me learn best.
AIT directly serves a multitude of different areas of Northern Arizona. The manufacturing, to the robotics, to the healthcare. You really can't do anything in the workforce right now that doesn't involve some sort of automation.
I do eventually hope to land a job in this industry for once I can see myself doing this line of work.